I'm Robin Brundle, Executive Chairman and Co-founder of Recyclers Group and LiBatt Ltd. Our primary objective is to take damaged, defective or end-of-life lithium-ion batteries, recycling it and reprocessing it in such a way that the raw materials can be used again into making a new battery.
I'm Alex Stanbury, I'm the CEO of LiBatt Recycling and Recyclers Group. The journey started here in the West Midlands where we met an engineer. We decided, having looked at the other technology in the market around the world, that he was the man to build what we wanted. He designed and built a plant that uses nitrogen, which removes the side of the fire triangle.
We have brought together the skills to bring a world-leading technology that is British built, British designed and run in Britain to help the resilience for British mineral circularity. On that journey, we found that we've been industry leading in our thinking around how to deal with what is effectively today the opportunity from urban mining, from consumer products.
Imagine all the different types of lithium-ion batteries out there, from anything from a laptop and mobile phone through to an EV or an energy storage. They're incredibly different. There's no heterogeneity at all. So it's been quite an engineering feat to get to where we are.
LiBatt is the only industrial scale processor at the current time for the end-of-life batteries. By being able to put the materials back into a new battery, it means that less material will have to be extracted as virgin material from mining.
We're here to make sure that the minerals which can be used ad infinitum can be collected in this country. The next stage of development, which is where our Comet 26 project came in with Jaguar Land Rover, is to separate that black mass. It will then go back into battery manufacturing. We've got battery manufacturing in this country, and the idea is that those materials will then be able to go into that supply chain to create total circularity in the UK. Nothing gets exported. The waste should be dealt with locally. Well, we deal with waste, and the idea is that we produce something that will end up being a product out of the back end of it, and rather than that being exported, it can be turned into a product here, used in the UK and put back into cars in the UK. So that's really the goal.
We're delighted to be working with Close Brothers. I think the thing that's impressed us the most is their foresight. They could see the journey that we were on. They visited the site several times and we built a great relationship, and they knew that by bringing in banking services would actually accelerate our program, not only just from the cash, but the public message that it sends, that actually we as a company were able to transition to debt finance. And we know that all of the teams at Close Brothers had to put a lot of faith into what we've achieved here. And equally important is that there's really good evidence that Close Brothers want to come on the full journey with us and help fund us to now scale as we go forward to get an even bigger foothold, both here in the UK and possibly further afield.